most important question of the book R.S. Agrawal of three-dimension geometry, unit, plane, worksheet 2B, worksheet 2B, worksheet 2B here. The last two questions, question number 12, it is very important question. Question is here, the position vector of 2 points A and B are 3i plus j plus 2k and I minus 2j minus 4k respectively. Find the vector equation of the plane passing through B and perpendicular to vector AB. Solution. Let the position vector of given points A and B are 3i plus j plus 2k and I minus 2j minus 4k respectively. Position vector of a point A and B are given 3i. Position vector of A is 3i plus j plus 2k and position vector of B is I minus 2j minus 4k. Therefore, coordinate of A is 3, 1, 2. Coordinate of A 3, 1, 2. And coordinate of B is 1 minus 2 minus 4. 1 minus 2 minus 4. The direction ratio of vector AB is AB 1 minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 minus 4 minus 2 1 minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 minus 4 minus 2, that is minus 2, 1 minus 3 minus 2, minus 2 minus 1 minus 3, minus 4 minus 2, so minus 6. Let P x y z be any point on the plane. Therefore, direction ratio of BP is BP x minus 1, y minus minus 2, z minus minus 4. Direction ratio of BP is x minus 1, y plus 2, y minus minus 2 to y plus 2, and z minus minus 4 to z plus 4. Since AB is perpendicular to plane, it is given in the question, vector AB perpendicular to the plane. Therefore, vector AB perpendicular to each and every line on that plane. The vector AB perpendicular to plane. So that vector AB perpendicular to vector BP. When two vectors are perpendicular, the sum of product of their direction ratio is 0. The direction ratio of AB, it is minus 2, minus 3, minus 6. Direction ratio of BP, x minus 1, y plus 2, and z plus 4. So here, therefore, minus 2 into x minus 1, minus 3 into y plus 2, minus 6 into z plus 4 is equal to 0. sum of product of direction ratio is 0. Solving it, we get minus 2 into x minus 2x, minus 3 into y minus 3y, minus 6 into z minus 6z, minus 2 into minus 1 the plus 2, minus 3 into 2 the minus 6, minus 6 into 4 the minus 24, it is equal to 0. Or multiplying by minus 1 we get, it becomes plus 2x, it becomes plus 3y, it becomes plus 6z, minus 24 or minus 6, the minus 30 or plus 2, so minus 28. Multiplying by minus 1, it becomes plus 28, it is equal to 0. Hence, vector equation of the plane is, its vector, it is called Cartesian equation. This equation is called Cartesian equation. We have to find its vector equation. The vector equation of plane is vector r, I, x, y, z, vector r, position vector of a p, position vector of a p, that is equal to vector r, the r, x, y, z, vector r, dot 2i plus 3j plus 6k, 2i plus 3j plus 6k plus 28 is equal to 0. And the vector r dot 2i plus 3j plus 6k plus 28 is equal to 0. This is the required equation of a plane in vector form. Thank you and have a nice day.